Serena's family. How are you guys doing? Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to style your clothes. It's true, I've been doing shorts, like not really showing guys the how I do style my clothes, the processes I go through. So I'm going to do it in this video. This video will be a bit long, so I wish you would stay tuned. So if actually this is your first time of seeing me or watching my videos, you're absolutely welcome because what we do here is fashion and style, how to style your clothes, whether you have or not, but you can still use that one you have to still style it to the new thing on ground. So let's actually go. I have my I have my top here, as you can see. This is my polo. So I'm just trying to show you so for you to understand what we are about to do. So if you have any of it in your home, maybe you can pick for you to understand how I'm going to style this dress. So this is our polo, and this is just knicker, right? This knicker also have a gown, but I just said to let me just style it with this for you to understand what wearing clothes and styling clothes is. That's what I'm going to teach you in this video. So what are we going to do? Let's keep it here. So for you to be able, this will be our top. We're going to style it as our top for now. So what you're going to do, if you want to wear it, you have to turn it. It's like this. It's like this, as you can see, but you have to turn it upside down. You see how the dress is now? Then you have to wear it from here. Like you have to put your leg here, put your leg here. Then you now draw it up. Even if it's not really your size, you just have to struggle yourself. That's why you have to be you have to be doing some exercise for you to for your body to actually be together. So that is what you're going to do. You bring it up here. You understand? Then when you do that, you now have to put your one hand here, then the other hand here. I don't know if you understood what I did. So we are going to try it. We are going to try this thing I just said now. So stay tuned. I'll be back. What I was saying, when you word like this, then you have to put your hand like this. You see? Then you put your other hand like this. You see how it is? Then you fold it. You have to do it in a way at least when people see it, it will look a bit nice. Then you fold it inside. You do the same thing with your back too. With the back. Yeah. You guys can see it now, right? You see how the back is? You see how neat it is? Yeah. So we are done with the top for the moment. Let's go for this. Depending what you have, maybe your long skirt or your knicker, but we're going with this. I just want to do it as to match. So can you see that? Oh my god, this is giving. I'm not really true. I'm not done, but it's giving me the style I want. So we are done with this. So let's try something a bit new. Let's try this to know how it will work. The reason why we are trying to put this, we are trying to make it a bit sexy and classy, a bit. You understand? Let it not be that just normal dressing. You get it? So let's try something to know if this will actually work. If it doesn't, we can still change it, right? I don't know. Let us know if it will still go with our style the way we want it. So guys, this is it. And please, whenever you're tying your belt, You don't have to make it like this. You tie it like this. You put here, this one will be like this one will be like that. No, at least it needs that flower shape or V shape. At least it will look a bit okay in the eyes of people. I think this is giving me what I want. I'm already feeling it. Yeah, I think this is giving me what I want a bit. You get it? Remember our knicker has a pocket. Okay, so let's continue. We have to do our edges for it to look a bit okay. But we are going to add this to our style. We are doing all of these things in order to make this dress fitting. Remember, it's just an ordinary dress, but we are just trying to make it that stylish dress that we are looking for. You get it? We aren't trying to wear a dress, we are trying to style this particular dress. So as you can see, we have put in it. You can put any accessories you have. Maybe you have a waist bead or anything. It will make it to look a bit suited. And we have the reason why I'm trying to wear this all this silver color is because of the white in there. So when anything you're wearing should actually match a bit. Don't just wear because of wearing sake. Then this should be in our neck. Yeah, I don't know if this camera is clear or but I don't know. But I think I can see myself too. Please manage it. So yeah, this is it. Anything else? Yeah, you have to put your lip gloss. Mm, smells so good. Yeah, and well, I'm using my oil perfume today. You guys already know how to apply your oil perfume, so no need of teaching it. So we are done styling this dress. As you can see, so guys, what do you think? Yes, I forgot something. Our bag, right? And I was thinking with these red slippers, you shouldn't wear black. Red bag. Wow, I'm already feeling this dress. I don't know, but I'm feeling it actually. Oh, so what do you guys think? I think this dress need more accessories that will make it to pop out more, especially the black. You understand? That will make it to pop out more. But this is the one I have at the moment, so I'm going to manage it. So you guys should tell me in the comment section what you guys think about this dressing. Like, where would you like to go with this kind of dress? Will you feel comfortable on this dress? Because for me, I feel comfortable. I do. Depending on the occasion that I'm going. So I feel a bit comfortable. So do you guys like it? What do you guys have to say in the comment section? So I'll be waiting for you guys. See ya. Hope you guys learned something. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe on this video. If you want me to continue making this kind of long video, how I do style my dress and so on, you can still let me know in the comment section. Yeah. See you guys. Bye. Let me do 360 for you guys. Mwah.